'71 plate Mk8 Golf in for a pinter drive immobiliser. This one's a little bit special in terms of mobilisation, so it's got gearbox lock. There's not many people can offer this type of mobilisation with this vehicle, so let's give you a quick demo. Vehicle will start and run, but if you watch, we try and select gear. Nothing at all, absolutely locked out. So using buttons available around the network, I'll just enter the customer's demo code. If you watch underneath the speed limit sign, you'll get the main beam light flash. So if I enter the code, flash there of the main beam, and now we can select all the gears, all nice and safe. Switch the vehicle off. As we exit the vehicle, we get a double flash there to indicate that it's rearmed. So if we try and start and select gear again, you're fully protected. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.